Spotify's SongDNA feature was on the backbench for a few months, but now more users are finding it in beta, and it's about to rival Tidal's similar tool. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. SongDNA is a mind-mapping feature that shows you what other songs your favorite artists have contributed to. Rumors about this feature first came around back in October, but now Spotify has officially confirmed that SongDNA is on the way, and a handful of beta users are already giving it a positive sign. According to Spotify community on Reddit, SongDNA is available in Spotify for Artist Preview, an app that gives artists and their teams early access to upcoming features before they're rolled out to listeners. If you're an admin or editor in Spotify for Artists, have at least 10-month active listeners, and are using version 9.1.28 or higher of the Spotify mobile app, you qualify for early access. SongDNA isn't widely available for standard listeners yet, although some have reported seeing it in their Spotify accounts. Users are calling this feature the best way to learn about their favorite songs and discovering new artists. Spotify has also recently expanded its song credits tab, which reveals the complete list of contributors to a song, but the platform hasn't offered anything quite like SongDNA before. And based on early reactions, it'll introduce a new and interactive way of discovering new music. SongDNA provides a constant flow of information, and rival platforms can adopt similar features as well. Apps like Tidal and Apple Music have also been experimenting with their own tools. Have you spotted SongDNA in your Spotify account? Let us know in the comments. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.